Mazda CX-90 has been designed so that you can use it as an electric vehicle on a day-to-day basis. With a potential electric range of just under 40 kilometers, most people will be able to drive from home to work without needing to start the gas engine. And unlike a conventional hybrid, where the battery is charged by the gasoline engine exclusively, a plug-in hybrid can be charged by the engine or by plugging your vehicle into an outlet. When plugged into a standard outlet, the 17.8 kilowatt-hour high-capacity battery of the CX-90 PHEV can be charged from 20% to 80% in less than 7 hours. However, with a home charger like the one shown here, that time can drop to under 80 minutes. Charging your Mazda CX-90 PHEV is remarkably easy. Make sure your vehicle is switched off, then open the charge port door, and if you're charging from a standard wall outlet, plug the charge cable into the outlet. If you're using a home charger, this step isn't necessary. At this point, you're ready to connect the charge connector to the charging port on the vehicle. Charging begins once the final connection has been made. On longer road trips, the CX-90 PHEV will maintain the desired state of charge for the battery, which can be customized. In addition to this, there's a button on the center console that activates the charge mode. When this is selected, the vehicle prioritizes charging the battery. This is particularly helpful if you want to ensure the battery is fully charged before arriving at your destination.